Hey guys, what's going on? It's Michael with Michael's Semi-Daily Updates. Just going to jump on here a little bit and wait for some people to get on. And just looking at the market, Palantir once again hit $116, and Cloud Hologram hit $1.34. So and I tried to change my thumbnail. You know, I'm fairly new to the thumbnail and all that stuff, so I don't have any pictures downloaded on here, so I had to take a stock picture and post it. So it's not the fanciest, but it's better than my face with sunglasses on it every time. But anyways, Palantir stock, guys, it's been on a roll, that's for sure. Let's see what we got. Let me move this up just a little bit. So this is just for the day. Let's just go 5 days out. I mean, we can see what it's done in 5 days. I mean, we got a buy signal at 73.98, and from that point it has just ran up to $115.04. It's crazy. And will it pull back next week? I mean, I think it could. I think it probably should, but it's the hottest stock on the market right now, guys. It's you know, everybody's talking about it could be do what Nvidia did a couple years back, and we just don't want to get too excited at these prices. If you're holding the stock at $74, I used to buy this stock at $16, you know, and I just bought and sold, made a good profit. I think I've made $8,000 or $9,000 off Palantir stock, and then Cloud Hologram, it's running up to $1.40. It's really running up there. It's ran up about 4 cents, I think, since I hopped on here. But let's see what we got. I mean, there was a crying face there yesterday at $1.43, and it's sitting at $1.39. This stock is just keeps going down, guys, and I can see it getting back down to $1.26, $1.25. You know, it's just, there's just nothing. You know, we've got news. I think this thing will pop, but if it doesn't pop soon, you know, I'm going to get out of it. You know, they say patience is key, so you guys make up your own minds, but I've been pretty patient with this stock, and it doesn't seem to be doing what I want it to do. I mean, my average, I've worked my average now down to, on Cloud Hologram, because I've bought and sold, and, you know, I sell when it jumps up a few dollars, or a few cents, I should say, not a few dollars. But let's see what my where is it? Cloud Hologram. So I'm down $9, and my average is $1.42. So it's, I mean, $1.42 average, and I'm still down. I know people out there that have a lot higher averages than that, and I just, you know, are we supposed to stay in it forever till, you know, it may pop and miss out on these gains like Palantir? And, you know, the same price at the same time, you know, Cloud Hologram 6 months ago was, you know, who knows, I can't even remember, $3 I think, or something like that. And then Palantir in the same 6 month period, and we're in Cloud Hologram because we want to pop. Palantir went from $15, $16 to $115. So we just are missing out on other opportunities. And I think, you know, like some small to mid-cap stops, like, you know, I talk a lot about this, I know, and right now it's currently in a sale based on the 5 minutes. But Applied Digital, it's, you know, data center, and they control and help data centers, make data centers. SoFi, it's a finance company. It's not looking good today either. But I'm just saying, these stocks, they have a chance of doing, you know, maybe not what Palantir has done exactly. It's not, you know, that's not an easy thing to do, but I do think, you know, Applied Digital, I think it could double in price. SoFi, I think it's, you know, a $20 stock at the end of the year. probably before the end of the year, I would think. But you know, the Tesla, you know, yeah, that's a scary one with all the news coming out in China and raising the price on the, you know, their model in the U.S. It's just it's not getting really good news right now, and it is falling. So, but we do have support right around where it's at now. So we'll see if that holds up. But there's 1, 2, 3 times. So if it drops below this, we could be in some trouble. Tesla holders hold very little bit of Tesla, but you know, when it starts to go up, it can be a great day trade, swing trade. Calls or puts on it. I just did a call. Noah actually got on here, a guy that gets on here a lot, and said buy Tesla calls. I did. I was actually down $100 at one point in time, and then I ended up coming out $250 ahead, I think. So, then, which I sold, which is a good thing. I did. I sold, I think, at 378, and then so it wasn't bad. Thank you, Noah. And you know, I have a Palantir call. Ended up getting, I had a Palantir put when it ran up to 112. I was thinking it was going to fall from then. I was wrong. So I had to get out of that position. Turned around and bought a call, and kind of ended up evening out my position. But that is about it for the day. But Palantir is just still looking strong. Makes me sick that I didn't hold the stuff. I mean, you gotta take profit in this market. I'm a big believer. I mean, if you're a long-term holder, that's fantastic. But you've got to take profit when you see it, you know, and not be upset about what you missed out on. Because boy, I had a call for what, February 21st, I think. Yeah, February 21st. I think it was a $73 call on Palantir. And I sold it, I think, at 85. I just didn't want to miss out on it. Then with going into earnings, I thought they was going to blow out earnings, but going into earnings with the call or put, that can be really good or really bad, and it's usually going to be one of the two. But Fubo stock's another one that's fallen back under $4. Fubo stock, I think. I definitely like this stock, guys. It's, you know, it's earnings reports in 19 days. You know, it made that deal with Disney. It's a sport. It's mostly sports, but it's getting into a lot of other genres. I think you're going to see Fubo stock. I think that's another good stock that, you know, outside of this microcloud hologram junk that we're holding, that would be a good one. Just looking at other ones, just like this Rigetti. I made a video earlier just to show that, I mean, Rigetti was 6 months ago, it was $1, guys. I mean, it's sitting at $1, under $1. Now it's $12.64 and it's down. You know, it had a high of $21.47, so you made your money times 21, and we're waiting on this, and you know, and maybe we was waiting on that spike to when it hit that $9 that day. Look how quick it came down, and I'm afraid that's may have been what it was. But you know, once again, let's see what it worked itself down to before it sprung back up. Let's see. Okay, so it fell to $1.25. So let's see, the $1.40 level hit right here. December of 24. No, sorry. So we was right here. December 17th, 2024. And so then it took a week for it to get down to the low of $1.25, and then from that point it took off. So if that was the case again, it's going to take a week to fall to $1.25. That would put us at February 14th, and then it spiked at the 20. Let's see, that was the 24th, so the 26th. Really, the good day came Friday, December 27th. That's when we shot up. Friday and Monday. That was a good time. I wish it would happen again, but we're down another 5%, so Nvidia, it was strong, but it couldn't get past 129.70. It really had a level there that just could not get by. Crossed it a few times, but 139.70 seemed to be the tipping point. Snapchat is falling back down under 11. But it's something to think about. Microcloud hologram. We need to move. I'm going to hold on to it till the end of February, maybe the first week of March, and I've got a call that will take me through March 21st, so I am going to hold on to it till then. I'm going to hold on to the call till March 21st, and unless it blows up before then. But as far as the stock, I am going to get out come the end of February, first week of March, if I don't see something promising, which has got to do the complete opposite of what it's doing now. But it's 2:30. So we've got 30 minutes till power hour. Nvidia seems to be dropping back down to earth. It's at $128. Applied Digital sitting at $770. SoFi $14.94. Palantir's dropped back down to $113. So it looks like the market is starting to fall. Yeah. BBAI up another 27% today. I mean, I bought this stock at $5. Where did I buy it? I thought I bought it high. Bought it at $5.73, I think. I was late to the party. But $5.73, and then I sold at $6. I sold pretty early. I didn't think it was going to do what it was going to do. I think it sold at $6.89, so around there. I think it was around here, actually. I think it was, because they had that indecision candle. No one sure what it was going to do. But that's it, guys. I think somebody's home, it sounds like. So nothing's going on. I just wanted to jump on here and talk to you. Talk a little bit about Microcloud hologram, and you know, just get your thoughts on you know, what you're going to do, and what some other stocks you guys like. You know, I talk a lot about it. I don't get a whole lot back, but you know, Applied Digital, SoFi stock, you know, Palantir, kind of missed the boat on that. Maybe, I mean, there's still a long way to go on Palantir, so we haven't missed the boat. But Fubo stock 392, Archer Aviation 891. You know, Rigetti, like I said, I mean, Rigetti falls between $11 and $14 a lot of times. But Microcloud Hologram, all it seems to, instead of, you know, that song, all we do is win. Microcloud Hologram is all we do is lose, 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 lose. It's all we do is on Microcloud Hologram. I mean, you know, it'll go up 10 cents, then drop 15 cents the next day, then go up 3 cents, then drop 20 cents the next day, and it's frustrating. Even frustrating for the people that hold the stock that I talk to on a regular basis. Frustrated for them as well. But what can you do, you know? What can you do? And with it being on Friday, I think the market is going to start going down. So we got a sell on Palantir. This is, let's see, on Fubo. We got a sell on Fubo. I have a buy on Snapchat, but it's starting to fall back down to earth. Got a buy on AMD, but it's fallen. Got a bunch of buys on Tesla. No sells on Tesla, yet it's fallen from 370 to 364. But you know, we had Bitcoin run up to almost 100,000 today. Couldn't quite make it, but it got close. Of course, that pulls all the other, you know, Dogecoin, XRP, all the other ones up with it, but it couldn't hold it. BBAI up 28 to 29% again today. I mean, this stock has been going crazy. Just had closed a contract with some kind of defense for the, let's see, yeah, yesterday it soared 44.5%, and then it's up another 29% today. Bought it at 570 something and sold at 689. Sold it a little too early. Thought about that a few times, but like I said, you can't be mad about the profit. You know, you can't be mad about taking profit. That's why we're in it. We're not in it to, you know, but you know, when you see it at $3 higher, I wish I, you know, actually bought a call on it. I forgot about that. Let's see where I sit on. Ooh, I'm up $10 on my BBAI call. It's not that exciting. Palantir call, I was up $200, but got all my day trades placed. I can't place anymore until Monday. But well, guys, that's pretty much it. Thanks for tuning in. If anything happens, I will jump on here and be the first to tell you, but it's not looking good again. But you know, thanks for all the support. Like and subscribe. Hey, peaceful nights. Any hopes for Holo? I'm not feeling real good about it. I'm really not. Like I said, I'm going to hold it through. You probably missed it, but I'm going to hold it through this month, maybe the first week of March. I think it could fall down to $1.25. I really do, before maybe it shoots back up again. If it doesn't do something by the first week of March, I'm going to move on to other things. So that's just my opinion. So I think we could see, especially at these levels, if you're in, like for example, I'm in at $1.42 average, and I'm still down but a lot of people have, you know, $15 averages, $20, $35 averages. So I think they're just going to have to, they're never going to make that back. I just don't think, even with the pop, if it can get up to, you know, I mean, I'm wondering if the $9 was the pop. So, well, 5's not bad. I mean, I've got, like I said, mine was over 5 at one point in time. I finally just sold for a little bit of loss. I wasn't down too much. I sold, and then I rebought back in. I just kind of scalped it from that time. At one point in time, it was decent to scalp, but not for the last few here. As you can see, I mean, that was a big scalp right there. If you then, you know, scalp on the way down by calls and puts, but that is it hasn't been an exciting day, that's for sure. Let's see. Yeah, it needs to do something. It needs to do something quick, because I'm a pretty patient person, and I'm losing patience with it. Yeah, it's going down every day. I mean, every day. I mean, you don't know how much I'd like to get on here and make a video with it going up. I get on here to make some videos, and it's I mean, what can I say? It's down another 6% today. You know, I mean, it's terrible. It's terrible. And you know, when we have this money in here, like I was saying, Rigetti, you know, went from $1 to $12 in 6 months. You know, Palantir from $16 to $116 in 6 months, and Holo's went from, you know, $6 to $1.37. Thanks for watching my videos. They're pretty fancy, but I do appreciate it. And if you know, it's no financial advice or anything like that, but like I said, I'm just a regular guy, not no Wall Street guy or anything like that. But we do make some plays. I get people on here that we talk about some stocks, especially when microcloud holograms going up. That seems when everybody comes on. But yeah, BBAI, and you sold it for Holo. Yeah, that's and don't feel bad. I had BBAI and I just sold it yesterday, and it's went up $3 more. So, right, was you up in BBAI when you sold? And who would have seen that one coming? You know, I mean, in all honesty. Yeah, it makes you sick. Sold it too soon. And you know what? I've done it plenty of times. I just got rid of I had a call on NVIDIA, and I sold it yesterday right before this huge jump. Let's see. So yeah, because I was down big time, and it got up to 125, and I thought it might fall back at 125, so I think I sold right around here. As soon as I sold, that happened. I mean, what a joke. As soon as I sold, I mean, I'm holding. Could have sold here, didn't sell. Fall down here, hit that sell button. I mean, I'm not joking you. As soon as I hit that sell button, boom! It's like Michael sold. Let's just really make him sick. You know, give me a break. And then the same thing, it's, you know, I had Palantir ran up to, so don't feel bad, Palantir ran up to, you know, after earnings, it ran up to, gosh, I think I bought ran up to like, yeah, 110.45. And I'm thinking, man, $110, I think it's going to fall a little bit. And then I got stuck in a bad position. And luckily, it fell back down here, and I was able to get out with basically even money. But that was the next morning. And as soon as I got out of it, it shot back up. You know, that's what it's doing right now. It's coming back down, shooting up, coming back down. It's going to shoot back up. It's just a tough stock. But Holo Stock's another one I like. I think this one has a lot of potential in the next year, and sitting under $4. You know, not that it's a Netflix or not that it's a Roku, but you know, Netflix is 1,000, Roku's at 70. So yeah, Holo, I mean, it got to 9. You know, it got to 9 not that long ago. That's what I was hoping for, was double digits. But it's like we have big volume candles coming in, but it's just like, you know, there's, you know, buying, then there's selling, then there's selling, then there's buying, and then it's, so our average volume's 43 million. Today's volume's 12 million. That don't help. That means, you know, just nobody's doing anything. But peaceful nights. Thanks so much for staying with me. Looks like my wife is home, so I am going to jump off here and talk to her real quick before microcloud hologram sinks to $1.25. But I will make other videos, so watch for the live chat. There comes another green candle. But I mean, that's all it's doing. But if it does anything, I would jump back on here. Obviously, I would love to be on here for the push to double digits, you know. But you know, just like that, it says, yesterday, microcloud hologram integrates DeepSeek R1 AI to enhance holograph digital. You know, I made a video on that. It's got news. It has news. It's just not doing anything. So that's what's frustrating. And then another thing with microcloud hologram is it's a strong sell. It's got 46 employees, and then it says their next, when does it say their next earning is? And then every time it says they have earnings, they don't have earnings. That's pretty jacked up too. So I've never seen, I don't think I've ever seen, and I know that it's happened before. I do know it's happened, but then say that it's going to have earnings in October, not have it. Earnings in December, not have it. Now we're into February, and it's saying, if I can get to the right screen, so I can't find it on there. Microcloud hologram. It says its earnings are, expected tomorrow pre-market. Wow. I didn't realize that. Now, wow, I didn't realize that. Now let's see if they report earnings tomorrow. Boy, that would be nice. That sure would be nice. I mean, they've got a lot of money. I mean, put that money somewhere. You know, you just integrated DeepSeek, that big China company that killed Nvidia there for a second. But yeah, expected tomorrow pre-market. But guys, it said this before, I'm telling you, and it just doesn't do it. We don't get earnings, so we'll see. But that is definitely interesting. I didn't realize that. So, but all right, guys, I might make a video on that. I'll look into that and see what we got. But you know, we got some green volume, so who knows? Maybe Friday, maybe going into power hour, it can do something. Let's go Holo. Let's do something before we lose all our faith in it. We've already lost a lot of faith. We don't want to lose all our faith in it. But you guys, thanks for joining and sticking with me. I appreciate talking to you. Peaceful night's always nice. And we will talk to you soon. And good luck with today trading. And like I said, if something happens crazy, I'll pop back on here. You guys take care.